Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be putting on our Rok Blokz fender flares on the Can-Am. Did you get new Rok Blokz? Awesome. But okay. So what are these ones for then? These are for the truck.
Yeah, so this is the front, this is the back for the truck.
So cool.
Those happen to be for the ATV.
Oh, these are for the Maverick? Oh my gosh. So cool.
That way I don't get splattered with mud anymore.
We've already put them on the truck. You may have seen the video, I'll link up above to that. They worked out great on the truck so far, so might as well put them on the side-by-side as well. With these sport side-by-sides, like this X3 and Razors and all those, they have extra wide widths. And with that, you get a lot of spray from your tires down the side of your vehicle, into your vehicle, all those sort of things, and you don't really want that in your car. So the Rok Blokz splash guards are going to go right down the side here, going to give extra protection. That way, if you happen to run through a cow pie or whatever, you don't splash that on the person riding in the car, because that never makes for a good trip. All right, so first thing, you need to take and put a bend in. They have these bend marks here. So you just take, hold it firmly, and give it a good bend. That way it'll match up with the profile of the fender. Next thing I need to do is go through and remove these OEM bolts right here, and then right down the fender. I'm going to reuse one of them, and then the rest are going to be the ones that they sent. It comes with this little J bracket, and that's going to be going in this very first piece right here. It just goes on the back side for the fender flare to hook to. I'm just going to finger tighten it for now, and then I'll tighten it up once I get the fender flare kind of put into place. Make sure not to tighten too much because it's just plastic, so you just barely need to get in there. It's nice and snug. Now for the fun part, getting this little J bracket one done. It's kind of the hardest part. Alright, next part is the final extension piece. It just mounts right down here. Really easy. And then it has these two little fancier looking washers that say Rok Blokz on them. Front flap went on pretty easy. Just a few bolts and no drilling or anything. Now on to the back. For the back side, there's a bolt right here I need to remove, and then a screw right here. I've already went through and kind of pre-folded this to make sure it's ready, and then it'll just bolt right up in there. I am going to have to drill one hole right through this point right down here. Other than that, all of them are already pre-cut out right here, so super easy. Alright, so I have to reach up under the back side and just put the nut on these. And of course, it's always a super awkward position whenever you're trying to get your hands up in there. Now they got all the nuts kind of put on, I'm just going to go through and tighten them down. Last thing I need to do, I need to just drill a little hole right through there, run my bolt through, and then I'm finished up. Didn't take very long. Got the splash guards, fender flares, whatever you want to call them, from Rok Blokz put on. They look super good. They have lots of different colors that you could get. We just went with black because of our, you know, all black Can-Am. They have them for razors and every other machine out there. So feel free to contact them. The information's down below. And let them know that you saw them on Jaunt Junkies, and, you know, check them out. They're a really good company, Utah company, and make a great product. Remember to like, subscribe, all those sort of things, and above all else, enjoy your weekend.